In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a flat pattern in Fusion 360 using the professional sheet metal tools. This is an absolutely essential skill for anyone working in manufacturing, laser cutting, or sheet metal fabrication because it allows you to take a complex 3D design and flatten it out into a 2D template. This ensures that your dimensions are accurate and that your physical part will actually fit together once it has been bent in the shop. If you find this tutorial helpful for your engineering workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more advanced Fusion 360 guides. Let's dive straight into the software. To get started, you need to open your specific sheet metal part within Autodesk Fusion 360. It is very important to note that for the flat pattern tool to work, your design must be recognized as a sheet metal component. If you have built a standard solid body, you may need to convert it first, but ideally, you should be starting with a sheet metal base. Once your file is open, look at the top navigation bar. By default, you might be in the Solid or Surface tab. You need to click on the Sheet Metal tab to switch into the dedicated Sheet Metal workspace. This workspace gives you access to specific tools like flange, bend, and corner relief, which are necessary for proper unfolding. Double check that your part was indeed created using these features. If you see flanges and bends in your timeline, you are ready to proceed. Now, look at the toolbar under the Create section and locate the icon that says Create Flat Pattern. Clicking this will initiate the unfolding process. Fusion 360 will now ask you to select a stationary face. This is a critical step because the face you choose will remain fixed in 3D space while all other flanges and bends unfold relative to it. Usually, you want to pick the largest flat base of your part to be the stationary face. Once you have made your selection, a small dialog box will appear. Simply click OK. Fusion 360 will then calculate the K-factor and bend allowances to generate a perfectly flat representation of your part. You will notice that the environment changes slightly to show you the flat pattern view. Here, you can inspect the bend lines and the overall outer dimensions of the flat sheet. This view is separate from your 3D model, meaning you can toggle back and forth between the folded design and the flat pattern at any time using the Finish Flat Pattern button at the top right. This is incredibly useful for exporting your designs as DXF files for CNC laser or plasma cutting. If you need to make changes to the design, just go back to the folded view, make your edits, and the flat pattern will update automatically. It is a non-destructive workflow that saves hours of manual calculation. Before we wrap up, remember that keeping your flat patterns organized in the browser tree is a great way to manage complex assemblies. And that is it. You have successfully created a flat pattern in Fusion 360. If this video helped you streamline your fabrication process today, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.